Hello everyone, this is Miss McMunn here. This is for third block algebra. Just wanted to let you guys know that this is the last week of digital learning and you only have one assignment this week. So before you had three, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Since grades are due this Friday, you just have one assignment. It went on Google Classroom today and it is due on Wednesday. And so that way I can look over your work Thursday and Friday and make sure that you get your credit for that. So this is your last opportunity to raise your grade up from what it is right now. So if you go to Google Classroom, you'll find it. It's easiest to find it in your classwork tab. And you go over to this final week topic. And the assignment is in here. It's called a budget final assignment. So if you read the directions, it says click on this assignment to see your very own Google Doc for this assignment. Open the Google Doc so that you can type on it to fill out the budget logs and show your understanding of budgets. So I am going to post this instructional video to this assignment so that way you can see how to do it. So you'll click on this and it will be your very own doc, but it will look exactly like what I'm showing you here. But you'll be able to type on one yourself and it should have your name up here. That just means that it's yours. And when you get done, there should be a turn in up here on the right hand side upper corner. And you'll just click turn in once you're done typing all of your answers in here. So I'm going to do the first one with y'all. And then the next three you have to do on your own. So this first one says the Smith household has the following income and outgoings or expenses. So you work out a weekly budget to find out how much they have left each week for entertainment and saving. So weekly means that we've got to try to think of per week. Now it says down here they earn bi-weekly, which means every 2 weeks. So we have to kind of think, okay, so if Mr. Smith earns $1,400 every 2 weeks, then how much does he make every week? So you would take 1,400 divided by 2, and Mr. Smith would earn $700 every week. Okay. Miss Smith also gets paid every 2 weeks bi-weekly. So you'd have to split $650 to get the income for her per week. So down here on our chart per week, it wants the income. So the income, let's see, we know that it's $700 for Mr. Smith. Half of $650 is $325. So if you take $700 plus $325, that's going to give you $1,025. So this is how much they're making per week. Now you could also have added together Mr. and Miss Smith's earnings, $1,400 plus $650. That would be $2,050 every 2 weeks. And then you could have halved that to get the per week. And you would still get $1,025. All right, and now we're getting into the costs. Okay, these are their expenses, their outgoings. So rent is $400 per week. So we can go ahead and put that in our chart. Oh, not 300, 400 per week. That's high. All right, electricity is $320 every 2 months. So that's for 8 weeks. We're looking for just 1 week. So we have to take 320 and split it into 8 weeks. So 320 divided by 8. Well, 32 divided by 8 is 4, and you add the 0. So that's $40 per week for electricity. All right. Then it says that gas is $240 every quarter for 12 weeks. So that means we've got to split 240 into 12 increments. So 24 divided by 12 would be 2, and then put that 0 back on there. So that's $20 per week. All right, the car loan says $360 per month. There are 4 weeks in a month, so 360 divided by 4 is what we need to do to get per week. So 36 divided by 4 is 9, and then bring that 0 back. So that's $90 per week. And then food and groceries are $250 per week. So we don't have to do any calculating with that. It already says per week. Patrol is $100 per week. So we've already got our per week. And then the bus and train fares are $8 per day. Okay. So, and then there's 3 days per week that they're on the bus and trains. So you have $8 times 3 for 1 week. So 8 times 3 is 24. So we'll put that in there. The clothes is $50 per week. We've already got it per week. That's nice. And water consumption and rates. So $600 per year, but that's for 52 weeks. So we need to take 600 and divide it into 52. So let's do that. 600 divided by 52. We have about $11.50. So it says 11.538. So that's $11.54. Not let me type for some reason. Having technical difficulties. Let's see if this works. All right, good deal. $11.50. And since that 3 has the 8 behind it, I'm going to round that 3 up to a 4. So $11.54 per week. All right, so now here's the part where you deal with the budget. Once you've got everything in this chart, what you need to do is add up all of these costs. And when you add that up, put it right down here at the bottom here. So we're going to take 400 plus 40 plus 20 plus 90 plus 250 plus 100 plus 24 plus 50 plus 1154. So our costs per week are 985.54 or 54 cents. And then we think back, hey, our income was $1,025 per week. So did we make enough for our costs? And if so, did we get to save any? Or if we didn't have enough, are we in debt? So what you would do here for this savings and debt, if you are saving something, put it in the income. And if you are in debt, keep it right here up underneath the 985.54. So what you do to figure that out is you take that income, $1,025, and subtract what you spent. So 985.54, and you get a positive number out. So that would be that you saved that much. So Mr. and Miss Smith saved $39.46. All right. Now, if it would have been a negative number, I would need to put that over in this cell right here. And it would need to have that negative in front of it to show that it is debt, that you still pay that. Okay. So that is all you're doing for this budget final assignment. There are 3 more scenarios down here, and you just fill out the chart. You figure out if they've saved money or they're in debt. And if you have any questions on any of these, please feel free to message me or email me. I will help you out in any way that I can. We can even schedule our own tutoring Zooms if you would like that. But we will not have any Zoom class sessions this week. So this is the only assignment for the week that it's your opportunity to raise your grade a little bit. I believe that is everything. I will miss all of you terribly. And I can't wait to see you guys in school next year. All right, so remember, make sure you turn in this assignment by Wednesday, and grades are due on Friday. All right, y'all have a great day. Bye.